Hey, here he is. He's on time. Haha. He can't turn around. We're supposed to start tennis at 3:30. And Jake just arrived. Let's see if he can ride up this snowy trail. Come on, 40 people are watching you. 40 people are watching you. He's nervous. Can he ride his bike on the ice? Can he ride his bike on the ice? Let's see. He's ready to play tennis. Let's see if he can make it to the tennis courts.
My gear's too high. I can't
Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. No cheating. You can't walk the rest of the way. Okay, so we shoveled the courts yesterday. Just one court. That's shoveling. Look at that. That's beautiful. Wow. See, that court we barely touched. We shoveled this one so we could play. Uh-oh, he's riding in the snow. He's riding in the snow. What's Norman? Where is everybody? Jake's ready to play tennis, and Norman's supposed to be here at 3:30, and he's not here. I don't know. I might have one in my bag. I might have that orange ball. That old orange ball.